Hey guys, it's Bubba Diecast here, and today we are going to do one Hot Wheels basic car and two Hot Wheels color shifters. This is a recolor of the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. This is from Chevy Roadsters. This is number 2 out of 10, and this is number 13 out of 250. Drop the top and live your dreams wherever you're driving. And there's the Pagani trademark right there. We got the T-Bird Stalker. But this is actually the Ford Thunderbird. Here it turns red in cold water and then kind of like, I think it's like a bronze or copper color in hot. There is the Ford trademark, and I see a code right there, SO8. We got the 57 Chevy. It turns black in cold water and white in hot water. And there is the GM trademark. But this is the Chevy Bel Air. So we're going to open up the Pagani Huayra. Front, the driver's side. The rear with the taillights says Huayra Roadster and the Hot Wheels logo on the left. Here's the passenger side and roof. 17 Pagani Huayra Roadster, 2017 Mattel. There's a code right there, SO1. That was the first week of 2023. Now we're going to open up the T-Bird. Plastic body, metal base. Front, the driver's side. Here's the number 5. Here's the rear. Here's the passenger side and roof. I think this one does not have no interior. It does not say it on the base. It's mostly just says copyright Mattel and made in Thailand. There's a code right there, SO7. That was the 7th week of 2023. And now we're going to open up the last one, the 57 Chevy. So here's the front with the metal grille because it's part of the metal base. And the metal engine, I think that's part of the metal base as well. The driver's side with the metal skirts, HW City Police. Here's the rear with the metal rear bumper. Just the passenger side and roof. 1957 Chevy. It says copyright Mattel 1976. So code right there. SO8. That was the 8th week of 2023. So that will be it. And I'll see you in the next video.